Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Jeep Liberty. Stock number is A7822A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a full-size spare tire on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and tape deck. Climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.